Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and any apps saved. This avoids lost work. First, open Start and go to Settings, then Gaming, then Game Bar. You're disabling the Windows key reaction at source. This prevents accidental overlays. Once there, toggle Record Game Clips, Screenshots, and Broadcast off so the game bar stops intercepting the key. Make sure to note that this setting affects Xbox features, so you'll disable some built-in shortcuts while gaming. You'll edit the registry to remap or block the Windows key. Do this carefully. Press Win+R, type Regedit, and confirm UAC, then navigate to HKey local machine /system /current control, set /control /keyboard layout. Right-click, create a binary value named scancode map if missing, then enter the remap data to nullify the left and right Win keys. Once done, the registry defines the low-level key. You must restart Windows to activate the new keyboard mapping. Do that now. After reboot, launch your game and press the Windows key to confirm it no longer interrupts play. If it still triggers, make sure you use the correct scancode map and that game bar was disabled earlier. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode and restore the registry backup you made, or use System Restore. This will revert the scancode map safely and return normal key behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.